Hey guys, Krista here, aka Behaviorista, and I wanted to share another creative tip or tool that I recently found of all places on TikTok. I was watching a few TikToks and a lot of people were talking about this, so I just had to get it. It was $25 on Amazon and I do not regret it at all. I'm opening it up here from the bottom. It's super easy to open up and use. Literally opens up like a little flower. There we go. Now, not only is it compact and portable, it literally, you can change the orientation of your photos, videos from portrait to landscape, which is pretty standard with any sort of like phone, tripod, phone, selfie stick, I would hope. But it also angles back and forward like this. So it almost kind of gives the appearance that someone is angling your photos or getting all those angles. And especially for me, a content creator, I need angles. I need different looks. I need, you know what I'm saying? So I love this. Also, it's got a decent amount of height to it. I want to say this is a little over 2 feet. It is extendable, which is something that I absolutely love. Like, you can literally change the angles again. This is how far it extended from the table. Just wanted to show you guys how far it goes up. And it literally reaches like my thigh, basically, like where my shorts stop. So it's not a bad height. I think it would be better if it was a little bit taller. Now I'm taking out the Bluetooth remote, which is literally right at the center of the tripod. And what you have to kind of do is cut on the Bluetooth after you take it out. And basically you go to Bluetooth on your phone and it'll say Atum Tech. I hope I'm saying that right. And literally, you don't forget the device. You just connect it to your phone. Make sure it's connected. And after it connects, it should show this little green light that it's on. And this is basically how I use the Bluetooth remote. I just kind of hide it and then I take my photos. Like, I basically can see myself. So this is selfie mode kind of, and I'm just pressing the button while I position where I want my pictures to go or how I want them to look. And it's so easy because it's literally the touch of a button. I feel like I've definitely done my fair share of running back and forth from a camera or an iPhone to take pictures or selfies. And this is just literally saving my entire life, y'all. Like, you have no idea. So you can basically watch yourself take photos, which is the best. For better quality photos, I do turn it around because we obviously know the back camera is better than the front camera on any phone. This is the 12 Pro Max, and the front camera selfies do come out kind of good. So it's not that bad. Okay, and one of the last but probably one of the best features of this phone tripod is the fact that you can compress it to the point where it gets so small. I have to fix my camera, sorry. You can compress it to the point where it can get so small and portable that you can put it in any bag, any backpack, anything. I'm curious how this would fare during Carnival. I'm going to show you right now how well it fits into a small messenger bag of mine. You just literally have to finagle it in there. And it fits comfortably, y'all. You could put your keys in there, your money, your wallet, lipstick, hotel key, whatever, if you're traveling, whatever, even a small bikini if you want. And it fits comfortably in there, no squishing, nothing like that. And that's about it. If you want this tripod, check out the description box below. Let me know if you buy it or not in the comments, and bye.